What's going on, you guys? Camsick TV here. Any advice on the video, take it as a disclaimer. This is just an educational purpose video. It's not a how-to. With no further ado, I'm going to show you guys how to flush a cooling system on any vehicle really with a heater core. Working on my OBS F-150 with the 4.9 inline 6. I lost heat a few weeks ago, and I finally got some time to finally work on it. I thought it was a thermostat. It wasn't. That video is going to be a previous video to this one, but the temperature gauge now works, and it wasn't working before. The thermostat was actually shot. I gained heat for a little bit, and then it just stopped. And this video, I'm going to show you guys how to flush it the easiest way, and if it's really that far gone, we're going to have to replace it. Because previously, whoever had this truck before me put water in the system, causing it to get rusty, and I flushed everything. I put coolant in it. Now it seems fine, but yes, we live in Florida, we need heat. So you're going to want to locate your heater core, which is always going to be on the passenger side of the vehicle. This is a USA model, so it's going to be on the driver's side, it's going to be on the left side, passenger is going to be on the passenger side, obviously. Heater core is right here. Firewall on the right side, right by the blower motor controls, and the blend door actuator right there. Locate your lines. You got two lines coming here, comes this way. One line comes off of the thermostat housing, which is going to be the outlet, and then the inlet is going to go into the water pump, which is down there. So this is the inlet line, this is the outlet line. So the water comes out, goes into the heater core, and comes back in over here. I have it already set up because these lines were kind of difficult to come off, so I want to do this off camera. I got it in a bottle, so it's going to be, you know, all the dirty, rusty water. Hopefully there's something coming out of it. It's going to end up in here and not anywhere on the floor. If you guys are doing this, please, you know, protect all the environmental rules and just contain the fluid. Do not pollute. And dispose of the dirty coolant properly. As you can tell, usually when you take apart the lines, you're supposed to have some fluid come out of it. I had nothing, so I have my garden hose ready. It's all ready to go. What we're gonna do is we're gonna locate the outlet line that pushes water into the heater core. Locate that line, which is gonna be, I marked it with a circle so I know. This one right here, I marked it. It's gonna be on the left side of the heater core, which is my inlet. This is the inlet, this is the outlet. So I'm gonna put water in here. Hopefully some junk pushes out there and unclogs the heater core. Let's get started. Alright guys, so slowly, you don't want to put too much pressure into it, because remember, this is an older system. So you don't want to over pressurize it, even for newer vehicles, because the fins are very small for the heater core. So just a mini radiator. Turn on the hose. Oh, that's a lot of dirty water coming out of there. Alright, let's see if I could find my drain pan underneath there. Alright, let's go. Yep, that's a lot of gunk coming out of there. It's pretty clogged because nothing's really coming out. Yeah, it's clogged real bad. Alright, it's starting to get cooling on the other side now. There's a lot of rust. Very slow, but it's coming out. It's starting to come out a little quicker. And it looks a little rusty and dark. That's the best view I can get for you guys, so bear with me. Get the faucet open. You guys see that? Water flowing through there. It looks dark, nasty. Very nasty. Just do this until you get a free flow stream. As you guys can tell, I have 4 gallons of water here. That's the first go around. second go around, third go around, fourth go around. So you finish flushing your system, reinstall both your inlet and outlet cooling lines, reconnect your smog system or any EGR vacuum lines you disconnected and your temperature sensor, top off your fluid, let it run up to temperature, and then turn the heat on. Now, make sure it's a neutral, put on the heat position, but leave it off. Neutral, prime the fuel tanks, and start her up. Let it go up to temp. After it goes up to temp, keep an eye on your coolant and check your heat to make sure it works. Verified repair. Heat's all the way on, vents. Dude, this thing is hot, like my new truck. It's like the other truck. It's hot, really hot. So yay, no more waking up at 6:30 in the morning having to use my exhaust to basically defrost my window. So I'm over here at my local Advanced Auto Parts. I work with them a lot and they take a lot of my waste coolant and engine oil. As you can tell, since I changed the thermostat, it's at normal operating temperature. Before, after like 45 minutes or an hour driving, it would still be over here. So thermostat's working 100%. Heat's been on and I gotta say, it's hot, like super hot. Hell, that's sweat, yeah. So 15 minutes coming down here, I actually got heat, never lost heat, and it's hot like my new truck. So I'm over here disposing of my coolant. If you guys are doing this, please dispose of your coolant properly. Do not put it down the drain. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, more videos to come. Hopefully this video helped you guys out and saved you some money. Peace. I know it did with me. Bye.